the parents, we shall take the pictures outside. Here, because of the numbers and the time that we have, we shall take the pictures with family outside. Photographs, flowers, and all the rest will be done outside so that we can have a smooth event. Are we together? Are we clear on that? So, ladies and gentlemen, we proceed with that. Ababyeyi ndabasi ngoma ndabasabe aho tugeze amafoto n'ibindi byose tuzobikorera hanze. Twabyumvise amafoto yo ngaha niyo graduate gusa amwe n'aba professor n'umuprofesseur ngaha, ibindi byose bizoba hanze. Tugomba dukoresha umwanya mutoye mwacha kucheka So ladies and gentlemen, I'll still say it in my Kiswahili. Photographs, mapicha yetu tutachukua nje. Hapa ni picha ya student pekee na professor. Senior? So let us be quick. Dr. Philip, please.
Good afternoon. Summit hoye! Summit hoye! It is now a very important time in our school, in our university, that we are graduating. This is the time when everybody should be very keen. The other times you can make noise, but this is a very critical time. That is a graduate. When you don't hear your name, you are not graduating. So it is a very critical time for you to listen. Graduates, it is your time to listen. So I kindly invite the HOD of architecture to call the students and to present them to our main guests, to our chief guests.
Thank you very much. Turamukanye gutya mu izina rya Yesu. Nagomba ndabasaba tuduze ibiganza turamukanye. Muntunge ngoreshe runo rurimi nabasabe dukomera amasi chairman. Ayo masi na nyumba 10 yoyemera. Kubera iki mvuze ngo dukomera amashyi chairman? Ndumwubatsi, abubatsi dukunda kuvuga mu Kirundi kubera ko ntitwagize amahirwe menshi. Abajya bajene bonshigikira. Ariko la section que nous avons ici, l'architecture, iri henshi mu gihugu. Rero kuyigira ngaha kuri summit, c'est une chance que nous avons eue. Et d'ailleurs, nibaza ko ishobora kuba iri mu za mbere nubwo twahereye muri kaminuza y'igihugu. Rero dukomeye amashyi chairman, biba bisiguritse cyane. Imana ishimwe cyane. Let me proceed. May I request the graduates in the category of the diploma in the Department of Architecture to kindly stand up. Diplomas, stand up. the Chancellor, I present to you the following graduates who have successfully satisfied all the academic requirements for the award of Diploma in Architecture of Summit International Institute. Their names are as follows. As I said, the names are as follows. Guy Fernand Mikaza. Guy Fernand Mikaza. Is he around? Okay, if he's not around, it's okay. Let us proceed. Bayagadoris Christa. The third one, Prince Mugisha. Prince Mugisha. So, Prince Mugisha is not... Come. Thank you very much. Senephone can come quickly. Senephone. Dikumana Jean-Paul. Dikumana Jean-Paul, quickly. Isermana Jospin. Isermana Jospin. Iradukunda Regis. Iradukunda Regis. Doucim Kersi Merveille. Itangissa Blaise. Congratulations. Chutinziza Kevin. Muhizi Caleb. Who is a Violette? Violette. Birassa Audrey. I don't know if it's Birassa or Birassa or I don't know. Bigirinoiri Jésus. Jesus is around. Dushime Toussaint. Ndaïse Moïse Maid. Camaro Nick Lance. Camaro Nick Lance. Chubahiro Orly. Choitungi Jean Méthode. Iteka Odo Boris. Ingabire Jean Bertrand. Dikoumar Kevin. Gabirano Gu Béard.
Degree students, ACT teachers, stand here so that we may not waste a lot of time. Degree students, ACT teachers, stand here, all of you, so that when you are called, you are just near.
Now, the Chancellor, I present to you the following graduates who have successfully satisfied all the academic requirements for the award or bachelor's degree in architecture of Summit International Institute. The names are as follows. The first one, Arakaza Kizinyor. Kambale Masinda Dominique. Muhiteka Chelsea. Coury Don Juste. Amisi Ninina Hazwe. Igirimbabazi Berti. Irakoze Fleury. Arakaza Aimé Landry. Nionguru Divan. Munezero Axel. Munezero Axel. Duhorane nayo David Divan. Muheto Irlitz. Niongere Don Karel. Then thank you very much for your attention.
Department, I now invite the HOD Department of Tourism to present the students.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. May I request graduates in the category of diploma in the Department of Hospitality and Tourism to kindly stand up. You may first stand up. Everyone, the diplomas of Tourism and Hospitality Management. Yeah, and then please step forward. You can.
Diploma students, HT, come near. Stand, all of you stand here. So that when you are called, you are not coming from there, you are coming just from here. Hurry up, hurry up. And as they come, the degree students should be also ready to come here. So that as they are awarded, degree students also will be near.
Okay, thank you. I think they are ready. Mr. Chancellor, I present to you the following graduates who have successfully satisfied all the academic requirements for the award of Diploma in Hospitality and Tourism of Summit International Institute. So their names are as follows. I am going to start by Iradukunda Ariel. Please come forward. Thank you. Okay, Irangabiye Neila Lioba. Step forward. Ariel Karimunda. Come over. Irambona Nadej. Bazumutima Kevin. Please come forward and take your diploma. Ndaishimiye Nice Chloe. I think she's a star. Irakoze Charlie Ornella. Congratulations. Girumugisha Amsha Chelsea. And I am going to end by Ishimne Francesca. Congratulations.
Degree students, HT degree students, stand here. Hospitality and tourism degree students, come near, all of you. Johnny Karibu. Or you are not there, we go to other department. You are not there. We first keep your department first. These ones, it seems they don't want to graduate. They are only two. Eh?
Thank you. I am going to proceed with the degree students. Yeah, there are only two students. Mr. Chancellor, sir, I present to you the following graduates who have successfully satisfied all the academic requirements for the award of Bachelor Degree in Hospitality and Tourism of Summit International Institute. Their names are as follows. I'm going to start by Mwari Tangi. Mwari Tangi, congratulations. And Itangite KLC Bertie.
Yes, now I kindly invite the head of department toward entrepreneurship, Mr. Remy.
Good afternoon, all of you. May I request the graduates in the category of diploma in the Department of Entrepreneurship to kindly stand up and step forward. Mr. Chancellor, I present to you the foreign graduates who have successfully satisfied all the academic requirements for the award of Diploma in Entrepreneurship of Summit International Institute. Their names are as follows.
All diploma entrepreneurship, stand here so that when you are called, you are just coming from here. All diploma students entrepreneurship, kindly stand here so that whenever you are called.
Ahmad Nassau. Zoisenga Haisa. irakoze mignonne. Ineza Clare. Clare. He's not alone. Bukuru Ornella. Dushime Beni Dauphin. Gatabat Axel. Gatabat Axel. Daïdze Leri Karel. She's actually Miss Burundi. Ndihokubwa Jackson Mandela. Mandela. He's coming. Ineza Aimé Lucien. Miss is coming. Applaud for the Miss Burundi. The following is Niyubawe Within Marie-Laurie. Masumbuko Kati Benita. Ilakoze Aniel. Aniel. Nishimwe Sherbin.
navuze kuva kange kujya mugira ngo nabyo urumva none
Sahil Selman.
chukubita no
Sahil.
we chukubita
Is he around? Manirakiza Jeremy.
ngo ni clip munasubira
Namukunzi Fulakazi.
Shawihangana mene wa.
Namukunzi. Iradukunda Marie Gracie. Doumouam Ghislaine. Ninahazwe Valérie. Valérie, are you here?
Oya vrem. Oya. Enda abira wa muhungu. Wowe uje uvuga ngo ugiye guhagarara.
Mbona impa nziza.
Oya brother. Irigi sirenze.
Sanogo Bate.
Wowe ubonera nama.
Cameraman. Sawa.
Oya. Nanabukewe.
Nicho byose, aho byose
Iradukunda Inosa.
Lecturers, staff, guests, parents, all well-wishers and graduates, ladies and gentlemen, all protocol observes, please receive my cordial greetings. I prepared a speech, but I'm not going to read it in entirety. I want to dwell on the inspiration that Apostle Nancy Kanyungo has just taught us today. And I'm so very privileged to be able to address this great congregation. I can hear some noise, which is normal, but I know the students are not listening that much because their heart is or are on the degree they want to receive. But let me start by saying that this is the commencement day. Commencement day. That's the name of such event when we are going to give degrees to the students who have done great work. It's a commencement. On one hand, yes, you are completing your studies. But on the other hand, you are commencing, you are starting fresh. You are starting new. And so with this in mind, let me first address this graduating class of 2023 of the Summit International Institute. You cannot go without getting my advice in addition to what you have received from the wise and able, capable lecturers of the Summit International Institute. And so my few remarks are going to be based on my favorite philosopher, whom I'm sure you know. His name is Soren Kierkegaard, the Danish philosopher, and he lived in 1813 to 1855, and he's a founder of what he called the existentialism philosophy. He was a theologian, a social thinker, and religious thinker, but he made a very remarkable point about choices, making choices. And this is exactly what Apostle Dr. Nancy has just mentioned. And this is also in alignment with the theme of this event today, as designed by the chairman, Samuel Irungu. That Africa should change from being a consumer to be a producer. And Dr. Nancy said that it is Africa that fed the rest of the world.
Ni sawa sasa kani sawa kushinda ile ulikuwa nayo.
Hapo kitazogea hata pale mbele hata usijitupe mwa. Kuna refu ya. Mtu huyo kuingia mbele.
Sasa ifanye nini?
Then the beginning that violin.
Nao na wagara haja na wafati hiyo.
Waoni sawa.
Vive. Ili mbele cha Kristo.
Kabrahata nawe.
Wewe mufotora none reka gufotora.
None
Salama Bingi Yombe Thierry. Sengiyumba Live Stacy. Zisabira Damalzan. Ilambo na Evelyn. Ingabire Sharissa. Luwa Mahoro Tony Pole. Tony Pole. Ishime Beni Lionel.
kamera yanjye igomba ipfe.
Ingabire Stacy Delicia. Ingabire Santiana. Santiana. Hazma Chanel. Mulinganiza Zahla. Ishimwe Anik. Iteka Bertas. Awa Chimanuka. The last one in the Koyo Cedric. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon. Bado tunaendelea. Now we are going now to computer science department. So now I welcome the HOD computer science or the representative computer science department to call the students of computer science. So diploma students computer science come closer. And I told you the employers are also watching the lazy informatics. And this one don't need lazy people. So diploma students, computer science, please stand. Please hurry up. Next, Zubair Nibitanga. The following is Kerry Rejimier. Next is Tasmin Ali.
Gasore Ige. After Gasore Ige comes Nina Hazwe Dairati.
Bayo reka man. Bayo reka man gubamo ku burofa.
The following is Sabri Nzeimana. After Sabri Nzeimana comes Beni Bella Bayo. Beni Bella Bayo. Next is Caneta Clavis. The other one is Camaro Ainot Noel. The following is Richard C. Miller. Next is Pasha Matene. After Pasha comes Likumana Jessica. Jessica Likumana. She's not allowed, maybe. Next is Akimana Noela. The following is Steve Inatukunda. Next is Jimmy Nishimwe. Nishimwe Jimmy. The following is Kevin Great Ruvugazina Niwe. Ruvugazina Niwe Kevin. He's not allowed name. He's coming. The following is Cynthia Irakosi. Next comes Fernandez Tegikish. Next is Fataki Miriel. After Miriel comes Igraneza Kenny. Next is Rene Shadianka. After Diandra comes Ningeres Jean-Luc.
Sorry. Sorry, boss.
Hashem Doyes. Following, Manishimwe Samuel. Is not allowed. Next is Chubairo Ariam Tibot. Chubairo Ariam Tibot. Next, Nyongabo Keve Midex. The following is Igraneza Jordi Crispin. The other one is Igraneza Gui. Next, Dushime Aine Gi Case. Next, Nyongabo Adel Divin. Gachiubenge Ricky Morel. Please come here. Diploma, come close, please. Diploma first. Diploma, monitoring and evaluation. Well, hurry up. Why are you closing the other thing? Move from the way. Move from the way. Nobody should be here. Those people are here are just blocking. Move from the way. Getting Jan. We're talking about now. International Institute. Their names are as follows.
Because I'm telling people to move. Just push a bit.
Number one.
Push a bit.
Number two. Number three. Number four. Kuriquize Kabi. Number 5, Zigivana Jamkwet. Number 6, Mukeshmana Florence. Number 7, Yatanze Ishaka Ismail. Number 8, Niuneko Ibe. Number 9, Nibiruta Nana. Nibiruta Nana Baje. Number 10, Nibashira Ibe Augusta. Number 11, next, Rose Siska. Next, Kezia. Next, sio muda wake hapa. Niagira, Guy Asna, Wizera Diodone. Nishimwe Lucres. Ivan Diongere. Irakoze Aswa. Hassan Aisha. Sabimana Christian. Gezakimana Morgan. Bayo Alei. Inahaswe Chelsea. Vidix Chelsea. Naisiba Lucian. Isera Christian. Naisen Christian. Munesero Claria. Thank you very much, Chancellor Sir. Those were the graduates at diploma level. Now I move to degree category. May I request all students,
Degree students monitoring and evaluation. Degree students monitoring and evaluation. Come here. And remember the employers are watching. I'm calling the employers.
Ingabire Sheikh Claudia. Mukisha Onela. Zigimana Diodone. Atoimana Wizeno Ariela. Dinahaswe Ante. Inang Iteka Ashrebella. Gahire Angemonte. Inahaswendai. Benin. Naishimi Innocent. Naishimi Innocent. Nauda Latifa. Nauda Latifa. Daudi Latifa. Mirambo na Evalin. Nashimi Don Isaac. Thank you very much. Chancellor Sir, those are the names of the students that have presented you the award of a degree in monitoring information. Thank you.
Now is the time of awards. Awards. Thank you very much, Head of Department, for presenting to us the students, and also we thank our very best chief guest for adding our students there. Diplomas and degrees. Thank you very much. We will keep appreciating you. So, the next step, as you know, when we go to school, not everybody scores like that. We also have the best students. And we cannot fail to congratulate the best students. So the best students, even if they have gone, even if they are here, they are still getting their hours. So kindly, if you are minded to come, if you don't attend the award window, if you don't attend, if your body are not there, then know that on the diploma you will not be awarded. Also, after you call the students, I will call Enicom. Enicom will also present something sport towards them. We shall award the best students so that they may also harvest from their sweat. So I kindly invite Mr. Langa to hold the bench. Yes. Mr. Langa to hold the bench.
Chief guest, Chancellor, Director, all invited guests. I want to mention some students who have excelled in 3 different fields. One is a field of academics, the other field is leadership, and the other is class attendance. So we have recognized students from all the faculties, and we have been observing and following, monitoring and evaluations about audit, taking an audit, being accountable, and we are making our accountability today and this afternoon. Allow me to invite my colleague to assist me to read the names before you.
Thank you very much. As the mentioned, from our structure department, we have Mohiteka Chelsea, Arakazaki Junior, Munezer Axel, and Nicholas Kamaho. Those are distinctions from our structure department. We have also monitoring and evaluation department. Thank you. We have Bigirman Noela Eureka, Munezer Kevin, Sangwa Maria Piska, Toagrayesh Arsene. Therefore, from the reason we have one in diploma. His name is Nadine Liongere. From entrepreneurship department, we have Kwizera Sandawo, Muringaniza Zahara, Ingabire Nino, Irakoze Parfait, Salama Thierry, et Salama Thierry Bikombi. In diplomas, we have Irabukunda Louis, Mukama Francine. From hospitality and tourism management, we have Irangawiye Leila Nyoba and Wari Tangi. From computer science, we have Sakina Karim Merali, Mucho Grace Fleur, Amuri Karin, and Ladusa Kizimana. Those are from degrees, and from diplomas, we have Hakizimana Milena. Leadership. We have Naegami Anias, Icho Yitungi Methode, and Nizigiman Dodone. We have the specials, those who attended well the classes. We cannot also forget them. We have 2 names, 2 students. We have Ingabire Nino and Twagirayesh Arsene. Those are invited to come from next week. From next week to have their special things. You are welcome all. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. I think we have come to the end of a new beginning. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for everybody who has participated. Now I want I kindly want to invite our Vice Chancellor to thank the Chief Guest, and the students so that they may also harvest from their sweat. So I kindly invite Mr. Langa to hold the bench. Yes. Mr. Langa to hold the bench.
Chief guest, Chancellor, Director, all invited guests. I want to mention some students who have excelled in 3 different fields. One is a field of academics, the other field is leadership, and the other is class attendance. So we have recognized the students from all the faculties, and we have been observing and following, monitoring and evaluations about audit, taking an audit, being accountable, and we are making our accountability today and this afternoon. Allow me to invite my colleague to assist me to read the names before you.
Thank you very much. As the mentioned, from our Architecture Department, we have Mohiteka Chelsea, Arakazaki Junior, Munezer Axel, and Nicholas Kamaho. Those are distinctions from our Architecture Department. We have also Monitoring and Evaluation Department. Thank you. We have Bigirman Noela Ulrika, Munezer Kevin, Sangwa Maria Priska, Toagrayesh Arsène. Therefore, from the reason we have one in diploma. His name is Nadine Liongere. From Entrepreneurship Department, we have Kwizera Sandawo, Muringaniza Zahara, Ingabire Nino, Irakoze Parfait, Salama Thierry, et Salama Thierry Bikombi. In diplomas, we have Iradukunda Luis, Mumukama Francine. From Hospitality and Tourism Management, we have Irangawiye Leila Nyoba and Nwari Tangi. From Computer Science, we have Sakina Karim Mirali, Mucho Gras Fleur, Amuri Karin, and Ladusa Kizimana. Those are from degrees. And from diplomas, we have Hakizimana Milena. Leadership. We have Naegami Alias, Icho Yitungi Method, and Nizigiman Dodone. We have the specials, those who attended well the classes. We cannot also forget them. We have 2 names, 2 students. We have Ingabire Nino and Toagirayesh Arsène. Those are invited to come from next week. From next week to have their special things. You are welcome all. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. I think we have come to the end of a new beginning. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.